When we talk about beauty, nature never fails to surprise us. Waterfalls are nature's best example of heavenly sights. Dancing, crashing, cascading down, there is something naturally exciting about witnessing a waterfall, and indeed, India is blessed with lots of them. So here are the 10 best and stunning waterfalls in India that will take your breath away. Jog Falls of Karnataka is India's second highest waterfall with 830 feet long drop. This waterfall is created by the river Sharavati flowing through the Western Ghats. It is located on the Uttar Kannada and Sagara border. You can access the steps made by the tourism department at the bottom of the hill to get a clearer and a beautiful view of the Jog Falls. The dense green cover, the natural habitat of the region, and the white thick smoke like water enhance the beauty of the waterfall. Kempty Fall is a picturesque 40 feet high waterfall which is located in the Queen Hills, Missouri. The hill station situated above the sea level. Kempty Falls is actually one among 5 waterfalls which developed by splitting of a stream by the rocks. But none of the waterfalls is beautiful than Kempty Waterfalls. You can also take a bath in the pool at the footstep of the falls while enjoying its beauty. Moreover, the panoramic view of the surrounding places will definitely leave you in awe. Hogenekkal Falls is the most beautiful waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. This amazing series of waterfalls located on the famous Kaveri River in Dharmapuri district is a sight to watch. The waterfall in a circle and finally hits the small pool in the middle surrounded by some of the oldest carbonate rocks. This waterfall is a major tourist attraction in the state and immensely famed for boat rides. And yes, you cannot go there by road. You will have to take bamboo boats which are called coracles to reach the falls, which only add thrill to the experience. The Elephant Falls is one of the best and busiest falls in the Shillong. These falls are named elephant-shaped rock near them. The Elephant Falls are divided into 3 phases, and all the phases can be seen there different vantage points. The first part is completely broader and is stuck between the dense trees. The second part gets narrower, and finally the last one is the tallest of all and worth seeing. This serene location is a paradise for tourists here. Situated on the Kaveri River, Sivanasamudra is one of the best waterfalls in India, which is also among popular one-day trip from Bangalore. The island of Sivanasamudra divides Kaveri into 2 parts that form twin waterfalls Gaganachukki and Barachukki. It's a segmented waterfall, which means the water flow in multiple sides here. It is visible treat for all the visitors. With this, there is a group of ancient temple too near this waterfall where you can visit. Located in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, Chitrakoot Falls is a spectacular natural beauty. It falls from 95 feet height and is almost as wide of 985 feet, which makes this the widest waterfall in the India, and therefore it is called the Niagara Falls of the India. It falls in Odisha, then enter in Andhra Pradesh and finally merges with the Godavari river. This waterfall looks so dreamy that you won't take your eyes off. And also on the left bank of the fall, a very famous Hindu shrine of Lord Shiva is located. Adirpalli is the largest, most stunning waterfall after God's own country Kerala. This breathtakingly waterfalls is located Chalakudi River, the district of the Kerala. This 80 feet high waterfall has a width of 330 feet, and the view of the majestic Adirpalli waterfalls, the scenic background of the dense green forest is something that you cannot miss. Sagar Falls is a scenic waterfall on the holy Narmada River in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Dhuandhar Falls is also known as smoke cascade because the water of the Dhuandhar Falls creates mist while falling down. It will definitely be a great treat for your eyes. Apart from this fall, tourists come here for one more reason, just to see the large marble rocks in the entire area and to enjoy this waterfall in its entirety. You should either take a boat ride or road on the Dhuandhar ropeway. Located on the borders of Goa and Karnataka, Dudhsagar waterfalls falls from a height of roughly 1020 feet, making it the 6th highest waterfall in the country. This Konkani name Dudhsagar means ocean of milk, and as the name suggests, it gives you illusion of milk falling from a goblet. You can view the base of the Dudhsagar Falls by drive, by a jeep, or if you are feeling adventurous enough, by trek also. So when you are in Goa, there is no way should miss this gorgeous attraction. The last and best Noakhalikai waterfalls of Meghalaya is the 4th highest in the world and the tallest in the India, which is dropped from a height of 1100 feet in the wettest place in the earth called Cherrapunji. Falling on the green slopes, this heavenly beautiful waterfall will surely give you the best vibes. There are many different viewpoints and staircases around the cliff where you can take the view of these falls, and it said that throughout the winter the water of this pool display brilliant blue color while it turns into the green in summer. Well, we have given you the complete list now. Meanwhile, if you enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends and start planning your trip right away.